Hello, this is a short video showing you how to find the school library catalog, which is called Orbit. So you can find this anywhere you have a device. First, we begin at our school website and we click on Online Services, which is right here. From Online Services, we have to go through Firefly, which is right here. You have to log in to access Firefly. You may need some help to do that with a parent, but your usernames and passwords are in your diaries. Okay, so if you come down, this is staff online services. You want to find student online services, this is what you will see from home. Here you can see we have the Britannica, our online encyclopedia, and Orbit, which is our library. Now, from this page, you don't have to log in, although you can. We have looked at how to do that in library lessons. But from here, you can search to see what's in our library and what is available. You can search by just using any keyword. You can search by a subject. You maybe want to know about butterflies. And these are the results. So you can see we have 24 results on butterflies. Anything with a tick mark tells us that it's in and available to borrow. Anything with a red X tells us that somebody has borrowed it. Anything with a J and a number tells us that it is an information book. And if you see, like this one, Cleopatra Silverwing, has a PB, which tells us that it's a picture book. You can also use this neat function here called pick and click. So if you want to search through a subject like animals or food and drink or literature or politics, or maybe you want to look at art, maybe you like to look at different paintings or learn how to paint. So now we're searching for art, painting, go. And here are the results. You can see there are a lot of results. Some of these tell us about the lives of famous painters, and some of them will tell us how to paint in different ways, in different styles. So let's click on this one, and it says, what shall I paint? And it tells us, it gets more information about where it is. Also, you can do more like this. So this will give us books that are similar to this in that they teach us how to do things. So here now we see the What Shall I Grow, What Shall I Be? So it's all the books in the What Shall I series, and so on. And feel free to have a look through all of these things, including series. So some of you are into your bad guys. Then you can see the books that we have. Again, this one is available, but these are all borrowed. And this one, this little lock and a number beside it tells us that somebody has reserved that book. So it's been reserved twice. Very popular books. And it also tells me that we need more bad guys books. I better get on that today. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this helps.